Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying compatibility and removing variables. Confirm the keyboard supports Xbox as a USB HID device or uses an Xbox-compatible wireless receiver. Otherwise, it won't work. Once done, power cycle the console, fully restart Xbox, unplug the keyboard, wait about 10 seconds, and plug into a different USB port to rule out a bad port. Make sure you test that same keyboard on a PC or phone to determine if it's a hardware issue versus an Xbox or Fortnite setting problem. Now you handle system-level causes. Go to Xbox settings, then Devices and Connections and Accessories to confirm detection. If it shows, remap or test inputs there. Next, make sure Xbox system software is fully updated because firmware fixes often restore USB and accessory compatibility. Also consider power. Some mechanical or RGB keyboards need more current, so disable aggressive USB power-saving features, and, if available, use a powered USB hub. These steps address both software recognition and the electrical reasons keyboards sometimes fail. Finish with app-level and last-resort fixes. Open Fortnite settings and inspect keyboard controls. Reset to default and rebind any problematic keys so the game reads inputs cleanly. If that doesn't help, swap cables, try another keyboard, or use a known working Bluetooth/USB adapter to isolate the fault between keyboard and console. Finally, clear persistent glitches by powering off the Xbox, unplugging its power brick for 30 seconds, and restarting. If problems persist, the key troubleshooting tip is to test the keyboard on another device to confirm whether replacement is needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.